dear teachers and my dear schoolmates. I am Tejasvi from Grade 3, going to host today's morning assembly. Let's start our day by singing our national song Vande Mataram. To improve our vocabulary, it is essential to learn new word every day. Here is Niharika to share today's new word. Good morning to one and all. I am Niharika from Grade 3. Today new word is sensible, meaning one sentence. I think it would be a sensible thing to do. Once again I am repeating today new word. Please repeat after me. Sensible. Thank you. Have a nice day. I would like to call Gautam to say thought of learning is a treasure no one can steal from you. Once again I am repeating, please repeat after me. Learning is a treasure no one can steal from you. Thank you, have a great day.